Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all. Hope you all doing well. And start the today section. From today, what we discuss about is open the word file. So I think these things are already completed in the last class. I think the SWOT analysis completed, right? And from here we discuss that today is the concept of strategy and the strategic management process. So first of all discuss what's the concept of strategy. In business and management, strategy refers to a comprehensive plan, okay, and or a set of decision. So I can say it's that if when it ever comes to the word strategy, it means definitely it refers to the it's a type of comprehensive plan, and it's also a type of set of decisions, okay, and why it's designed to achieve for a specific organization's goal, okay, to design to achieve specific organization's goals, as well as it's also align resources and actions with environmental conditions, okay. So what the strategist means in business management, strategy refers to a comprehensive plan or a set of decisions, okay, for designing, achieving a specific organization's goals, aligning with the resource and action with environmental condition. That how your favorable environmental condition to your in favor of your farms. Okay, it acts as a okay, okay. It acts as a roadmap for navigating competition and challenges and opportunities. Okay. सो जितना आपका स्ट्रेटजी बेटर होगा उतना ही बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी यू कैन गेट फॉर योर farms. Then discuss about the key characteristics of strategy that must be goal oriented. Okay, whatever the strategy, it must be goal oriented and should be long term objectives. अगर वो स्ट्रेटजी अगर आपका शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड में रहेगा तो would not be more beneficiary or not any, it's a can say it's a waste of time, okay. So whenever the strategy is implemented, it should be focused on the vision for a on a long term objective, okay, it's focused on the long term objective. Then second is dynamic, where it adapts to change in internal and external environment, that dynamically your strategy should be. And third one is the resource based, that how utilize an organization's strength and capabilities effectively, okay. Whatever the resources are present within the organizations, how that companies employ and hire authorities are using that particular resource, and based on that resource, that company's strength and capabilities are outcome effectively, and which reflect to the achieving that future goals of a company, okay. That all depends on that how resources are available and how resources are actually utilizing in effectively within the organization. Then fourth is competitive focus, that helps organization gain and sustain a competitive advantage. Then integrated, that aligns various objectives, functions, activities within the organization. जो company के अंदर different different functions and activities जो है, how they are well designed and well integrated to each other. Okay, that reflects to the what that reflects the future uh, help in the achieving the future goals of your firms, right? Then we discuss about the types of strategies, and there are three types basically, that corporate level, business level, and functional level. So let's discuss one by one. So first is corporate level strategy. When we discuss it, focus on overall organization's goals, complete organization's goal को reflect करता है corporate level strategy. and the industries or market in which organization competes. Okay, for example, if we can say that diversification, acquisition, mergers, okay, all these things are comes on the example of the corporate level strategy. Then second discuss is about business strategies that defines how a business competes in a particular market, and like example that cost leadership, differentiation or niche focus. Okay, and third one is functional strategy that deals with the specific organizational functions like marketing, operation or HR. Okay, that different functional level like that in each every company there are different functions are there, and when they are working integrated, that company will be run right. So if the functions are like marketing, operations and HR, sales, okay, for each and every function what the strategies are applied, all about that's called about functional strategy. For example, digital marketing strategy, when it's applied to only the marketing level, for campaigning level, for advertisement of the product, how to reach in a customer to how that product will be reached to the customer effectively or in a cost minimization process. All these things when we discuss about, and it's all to applied in a particular function, that all about in the marketing part, that all about the when we apply the digital marketing strategy. Or supply chain optimization, that how your supply chain is optimized when your product is rotation and when your product is rotate from the manufacturing part to the customer, how effectively it's moved. That's all the decisions and strategies applied on the operational level. So operational level is means one of the functional level strategies. So this is all about the types of strategies. Then come to the process, the strategic management process. Okay, that involves systematic approach to formulating, implementing evaluation strategy to achieve an organization's goal. It is an ongoing interactive process. Okay, it is an ongoing interactive process that ensures alignment between the organization and its environment. Okay, so strategic management process involves a systematic approach to formulating, then for then implementing and evaluating strategies to achieve an organization goals. So this is the strategic management process. Then come to the steps. What the steps are there in strategic management process? That is vision, mission and goal. First one if we discuss, that vision describes and defines the desired future state of the organization. आपका कंपनी का विजन क्या है, वो आगे क्या करने वाला है, आपका कंपनी का long term visibility क्या है, that comes under the vision. Okay, desired future state of the organization. For example, to be the most इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड, ये कंपनी का विजन है कि हम फ्यूचर में इस लेव, ये टैगलाइन है कंपनी का, और ये है कि हम फ्यूचर में वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी बनना चाहते हैं, ये कंपनी का विजन है, टू बी द मोस्ट इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड. If we discuss the mission, then it's describe the organization's purpose and reason of the existence, why the company is existed. So it describes the missions. Okay. For example, to provide accessible and reliable technology. Okay, and reliable technology solutions. This is the mission of a particular company that describes. Okay, and goals and objectives that break down to the vision and mission into measurable outcomes. Then discuss about the environmental analysis. If we discuss, whenever the terms environmental come, there are two types of analysis, that is internal as well as the external. The internal part is analyze or evaluate based on the SWOT analysis, value chain or RBV method. Okay, so it's the completely depends on the strength and weakness of the organizations and how they are using the tools internally. All these things are analysis happened within the company. That's why about it comes the internal analysis. Then discuss about the external analysis. Then it always happens outside of the companies based on the customer satisfaction, market trends. Okay, these things are the analysis where we getting the accessing the opportunities, threats in the environment using tools like pastel analysis, photos, five force rules, and ETOP. For example, if you can say analyzing market trends, competencies, and regulatory changes. Now come to the third part, strategy formulation, that based on the three strategies are applied, that's corporate level, business level, and functional level, that what industries or markets to compete in business level, how compete in the chosen market, and when we discuss the functional strategy, that how specific function will contribute to the overall strategy. For example, if you can see, a tech company may choose to compete through differentiation by offering innovative features. Okay, so this is an example. And the fourth part, if we discuss strategy implementations, that basically involved in the like how resources are allocating. It may be a financially or technologically, and human resource, that how skilled employee are working with you, how updated technological things you are implementing in your strategies. All these things are comes with the allocating resource. Then designing organizational structure and process, and how communicating the strategy across the organization. For example, let's launching a new product line or entering into a new market. So particular for that, how your technological things are used and how skilled human resources are working for that particular product, and how financially that resources available and utilizing for to developing that particular product, that strategies are implementing. So here that for these things are implemented to a particular designing a launching a new product, so that is a implementation part is happening here. Then fifth is evaluation and control, that monitoring and measuring performance against the strategy goals using key performance indicators. That after that you are monitoring the things and measuring the performance that of that particular strategy, that how well performed your product in the market and how customer is reacting. Based on that you are creating and just doing an evaluation, and you are somehow, if necessary thing, then you have to do the controlling part for that things, so taking correction action if if deviations occurs or if environmental condition change. For example, adjusting pricing strategies based on the competitors' actions. Okay. Next, discuss about the importance of the strategic management process. First of all, it's clear, here we get the clarity and it enables us to focus on where we have to focus. So here we get the clarity of the image, proper image of the how organizations are aligned and efforts in a long-term goals. Okay, the clarity is getting here, and adaptability that prepares the organization to respond proactively to changes. Then third is competitive advantage that helps identify and leverage unique strength. Fourth one is optimal resource utilization that ensures resources are used effectively and well mannered to achieve the strategic objective. Then fifth is sustainability that facilitates long-term growth. Okay, that facilitates long-term growth and success. Okay, let's take an example of an renewable energy farm as a case study. Okay, so for that you can see what's the vision of a renewable energy farm, that to lead in global transition to sustainable energy. This is the vision of any renewable energy farm. Then come to the mission part, that discuss about to provide affordable and innovative clean energy solution. What's the service is provided by the company? That's all about the mission and on which mission they are working. That describe the mission, okay, of a company. Then third is come to the analysis, that comes to the difference again the internal strength, external opportunity. What's the internal strength available within the organizations? That how solar technology and updated technology you are using, and how strong R&D teams are working with that farms. Then come to the external opportunity. Then it's about the growing government incentives for renewable energy. Okay, government policies, regulations towards the renewable energy sources that government is supporting. That's opportunities come from the external. So it's all about the it comes under the external opportunity. Then fourth is about the strategy formulation that focus on cost leadership by reducing production cost. Then implementation that investing large scale production facilities and marketing campaigns. Then sixth is evaluation where we have to track metrics like market share growth, customer acquisition, and cost reduction. So this all are the reflects the what how renewable energies strategies are there, and this is one of the case study as well as what we discussed in the video about the importance of the strategic management process, and uh, what we here discuss as well as the steps involved in the strategic management process and the key characteristics and what's the strategy itself, what's the meaning of this strategy. So all about discuss all these things we discuss in the today's class, and for today only this much of these things we have to discuss, and rest of the things and coming part we are discussing the coming classes frequently, and we are going one by one, step by step, so that it will be easy for you to understood and simultaneously, as I said, make note when the discussion going on, right? And yeah, so that's all about the things we discussed today. So if anything else, you can put in the comment section, and yeah, so that's all the things, and see you in the next video. Okay, till now, goodbye.